Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Gemini API in Node.js. We will begin by ensuring you have Node.js and NPM ready on your machine. Next, you will need to secure your personal API key from Google AI Studio, which is a straightforward process. Finally, we will install the necessary Google Generative AI Client library using NPM, preparing our environment for development in just a few simple steps. Once your setup is complete, generating text is quite simple. First, import the generative model class from the installed library. Then, initialize a new model instance, passing in your API key for authentication. You can then send a text prompt directly to this model. The model will process your request and return a response, from which you can easily extract the generated text content, often in just a few lines of code. Beyond single-turn text generation, the Gemini API excels at conversational interactions. You can easily initiate a new chat session, allowing for a continuous dialogue. Simply send your message, and the AI will respond, with the chat object automatically managing the entire conversation history. This enables seamless, multi-turn interactions, making it perfect for building dynamic and engaging conversational experiences with minimal effort. To ensure your application is robust, always implement try-catch blocks around your API calls to gracefully handle any potential errors. For security, store your API key as an environment variable, never hard-coding it directly. Crafting clear and concise prompts is crucial for achieving the best possible results from the model. Finally, remember to be aware of the API's rate limits and usage quotas to avoid unexpected interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.